We are not owner of this planet. We are the part of this planet. First, understanding literacy. Second, creation. Third, struggle against the pollution, over restrictions. And fourth, management, community management. And fifth, that resource is our life, and this resource making a planet. This peace is not only for human being. This peace, wildlife, biodiversity, tree, earth, air, mountains, they are all want peace. Because we believe the Vasudeva Kutumbakam. So the Vasudeva Kutumbakam means this planet is one. This water is one, this air is one, this earth is one. So if we believe that everything is one, so why we create the hate? The water is life. Apaha Brahmasami. This water create us. This water create planet. So this is a real transformation. Ecologically, naturally, economically, socially, big change in agriculture. I am very happy because a lot of people now growing natural organic agriculture. So this is most important for me. So this is the evidence of my eyes. In my region, due to the climate adaptation and mitigation, temperature going down 3 degrees Celsius in summer, and in winter is more than 1.5 degree temperature high, not going down to minus. And the water level come up equal to the land. And somewhere 20 feet, somewhere 30 feet, somewhere 10 feet. Oh, water level increasing. And the very good thing is the biodiversity of that region. The wildlife, birds, everything is increasing. Peacocks, everything. Tigers. Before, no tiger in my region. Now more than 43 tigers. So this is the big change in that region. And the most important change is no heat waves now. No erratic rains, no flood, no drought. And the very good thing is the reverse migration. People is happy. And now they are doing agriculture on land. Before the labor, now they are the owner of the land. Due to the whole transformation, 23 river is flowing. 10,006 square kilometer area now. You can see the visual impact, immense increase in greenery. When I start the work in Chambal region, there the robberies and the all 19-year young people living with gun, looting, shooting, and they create a disaster in that region. Now is a completely transformation. If you are going to my region, they are offering you for water, for tea, for food. Before, they are taking. Now they are giving. You know the meaning of the community-driven decentralized management. You know this. The community is community. My Gram Sabha. So where the need of the management of natural resource like water, they feel the scarcity and thirsty. They come to me and they invite me, and I am going with them, and I am discussing with them, and they show the place where they want. Number one, if that place is really a good site, so I show the design, what is the way they can create design. And after the design, they discuss in the community. And the all decision taken by the community. The selection of the site, execution of the site, and mobilization of the resource from the community. And after the creation of this water body, the maintenance and distribution of the benefit, these all steps decided by the community. And after the all things decided, so the maintenance after construction. So the all aspect we discuss and decide the final decision by the community. So we are saying the community-driven decentralized water management. Who watch this video, they can relate this whole thing with that region, and they realize and internalize the importance of the resource of life, like water, like nature, like soil, everything. So where the felt need of the management of resource, they can contribute and acting for that action.
Are you ready to rejuvenate landscapes, restore ecosystems, and even revive rivers? To move beyond the theory and start practicing ecosystem regeneration? To succeed, you'll need skills, support, and confidence. It's why I created the Water Stories core course, to empower you to heal landscapes and revive waterways with your own hands and heart. I've spent the past decade implementing projects all around the world. Not theoretical designs, but real results on land. I've put all of the lessons I've learned from working with legends like Sepp Holzer and Rajendra Singh into this course. The Water Stories core course gives you everything you need to actualize projects on the ground and in your community. For each module, actions guide you through the experiences you'll need to become competent and then confident reading and regenerating land. From the technical aspects of earthworks and ecosystem establishment, to the personal development you'll need to be effective, to providing a business roadmap for success, this course offers a transformational experience that reshapes your relationship with water, land, and life. As hopeful as I was when we began, even I've been surprised how quickly it's delivered results for our students. No matter where you live and no matter your background, you can help heal the earth with water cycle restoration. Check the link below for upcoming courses, and I'll see you in class.